Mga Kamiranda mula sa Luzon,
I love you 3,000 Kamiranda! Mga Kamiranda, magagayo ng mga tao hindi sabihin ko I love you 3,000 Kamiranda!
at sa Visayas, at sa iba't ibang panig ng Pilipinas.
I love you 3,000 Kamiranda!
At ngayon sa buong mundo.
Hello Miranda!
I love you 3,000. Hello, Camiranda.
Woo, like sounds like a pro. Hello.
He taught me everything I know.
Oh my
I
God.
knew nothing about crypto until I followed him. So this is the master right now, brother.
Asahan po ninyo na talagang nataguyod pa po natin ang pagiging educator in our community through your malasakit and our malasakit in the Global Miranda Miner Group. Asahan po ninyo we're going to cheer and educate yung ating mga kapwa Pilipino to learn more about cryptocurrency because that's our passion, that's our mission, that's our vocation. Marami pong salamat kay Miranda at sana po kayo po ay magpatuloy na mag-subscribe at mag-like para maituloy pa natin ang ating mission kay Miranda. Maraming salamat po at I love you 3,000. I love you 3,000 kay Miranda.
When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter.